Today, I am reviewing the Empowered PC LAN gaming desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. At the core of this beast is the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X 3D processor, an 8-core, 16-thread powerhouse built on cutting-edge 4nm technology. With a base clock of 4.7 GHz and a max boost clock of 5.2 GHz, this CPU is designed to handle everything from competitive gaming to high-level content creation with ease. Whether you're streaming your favorite game, editing video, or running heavy multitasking workloads, the Ryzen 7 9800X 3D delivers blazing fast responsiveness and smooth performance. Paired with the processor is the incredible NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GPU, equipped with a massive 16 GB of GDDR5 memory. This GPU harnesses the latest graphics technologies to give you fast, smooth, and power-efficient gameplay. It can handle the most demanding AAA titles at ultra settings with ease and is also perfect for VR gaming and streaming. Thanks to this powerful graphics card, you get stunning visuals, real-time ray tracing, and AI-accelerated features that make games look and perform better than ever. When it comes to memory and storage, this rig doesn't hold back. It features 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 MHz, which means you can run multiple applications, browser tabs, and games simultaneously without any slowdown. On top of that, the 2 TB of PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD storage provides ultra-fast boot times and data transfer speeds, up to 30 times faster than traditional hard drives. Loading your games, apps, and files feels instantaneous, keeping you in the action without frustrating delays. One of the standout features of this PC is its compact and portable design. The case is just 8.1 liters in volume, made from sturdy metal with a clean white finish. It even includes a leather handle, making it easy to carry around for LAN parties, gaming events, or just moving between rooms. The perforated panels ensure excellent airflow to keep components cool and running optimally during long gaming sessions. Connectivity options are solid with Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth, ensuring fast and reliable wireless connections. You also get essential ports like HDMI and DisplayPort for multiple monitor setups. Plus, Empowered PC includes a free rainbow backlit USB keyboard and LED USB mouse, so you can start gaming right away. The system comes with Windows 11 Pro x64 pre-installed, offering advanced security features, productivity tools, and support for virtualization. Perfect if you're a professional or power user who wants more than just gaming performance. What really sets Empowered PC apart is their commitment to quality and customer support. Each PC is assembled in the USA, stress-tested rigorously before shipping, and backed by lifetime technical and diagnostic support, along with a 3-year limited hardware warranty. This gives you peace of mind, knowing your investment is protected. Performance-wise, the LAN Gamer Portable handles ultra settings at smooth 1080p Full HD with 100+ FPS in many AAA games. It's also VR ready, which opens up a whole new world of immersive gaming experiences. Streamers and content creators will appreciate the balance of raw power and portability this machine offers. In conclusion, the Empowered PC LAN gaming desktop is an exceptional choice for anyone wanting a small, portable, but uncompromising gaming rig. It's perfect for gamers who travel to LAN events, creators needing a powerful desktop without the bulk, or anyone wanting future-proof specs in a compact form factor. If you want a no-compromise gaming PC that fits in a backpack but delivers desktop-level power, this is one of the best mini ITX small form factor machines on the market in 2025.